I'm showing you a magnetic phone holder. This is it. It comes with a strap so that you can strap it around just like a wristwatch, and it's rubber, and so you can pull it and it'll stretch to the next hole. If it doesn't quite make it, you can get it there. And it needs to be really tight so that your phone won't wobble when you're driving. So we're putting it on this golf cart today. I want to thank the brand for sending this sample to me so I could try it out and to show you. I'm putting this phone on it. It will snap right on. We've got a magnetic ring on the back. There you go. It's secure. This is compatible with MagSafe phones, which is iPhone 12 and newer. But if you have an older phone like this, the kit comes with 2 magnetic rings, so you could have 2 older phones with magnetic rings also. So that's what's on the back of this. I put it on, and you can see it's tight. Besides the golf cart, this can be used on a treadmill. It could be used on the steering wheel on this golf cart, but its steering wheel is too fat. So that's why we put it on the post here. But I think it's better on the post. This also works great on strollers or shopping carts or a bike, an exercise bike or a bicycle, a car steering wheel. It is good on gym equipment. So you just use your imagination and use it wherever you need to, and it works great. I hope you'll want to try one.